My name is Anmol Bhutani and today I am going to explain the task 2.1P. So firstly we will see our code. In this code I have added the libraries in which it will build the APIs and also it will helps to handle the HTTP requests. This setups the web application, like the builder will create the app and the app will define the API endpoints. This is the robot commands which are stored in the memories. Like each command have its own ID and the command. Like this command has its ID 1 and the left command. After that, this is the size of the robot map, like width and height. This is the root, and if we visit the root URL, there we will see the result hello robot on our screen. In this we call get robot commands to get all robot commands. In this we call get robot command move to get only move command. In this we call get robot commands ID to get a specific command by the command by ID. If command is not exist, then it will return the 404 not found error. After this we call post request, like post robot commands to add a new command. Firstly it will check the command is valid or not, then only it will add a new command. After that we call put robot commands ID to update an existing command by ID. If if command is not existing, then it will return the 404 uh, not found error. We call in this we call get robot map to get the uh, size of the robot map. Here we call get robot map xy to check if coordinates are within the map boundaries or not. If it is in the boundaries, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. After that, in this we call put robot map to update the size of the robot map. If the command is not valid, then it will return the 400 bad request error. Here we made the class. This is the class for the robot command, like for ID and commands. And this is the class for the size of the robot map, like width and height. Now we will see the output of this code after running this. So here we will run this code. Like you can see, our local host is running on the port number 5114, and now we will visit our root URL to see the output. Here you can search our local host port. So you can see the hello robot is seeing successfully. Now we are going to see the implementations in the postman, like how the postman is working. So here is the postman server, and now we will run the commands one by one to see each and every outputs. Here we will use the post request, and here we will enter the enter our URL. So so this URL is for add a new command, and after adding the URL, uh, we will go to the body for the JSON list, and here we will write our command to add a new command. See, the command is added successfully, and with the uh, status code 201 created. Now after this, we will try to the next command to get all commands. So here we change our request to get, and here we can write the URL will remain same, and now we will send the request. So you can see that we successfully get all the commands of the robot, and with the status code 200. Okay, now we will see the we will get a specific command by ID. So the we will make some changes in the URL, like if here we can add the ID, like we add 5. Now you can see ID 5 command jump, status code is also okay. After this, we can run update a update a command. Here we use put, and in the body we can now you can see this command is not exist, then it will show the 204 no comment content. No, the command is updated, but there is no content in this command. So you can see successfully it is working. To get the map details, we will make some changes in the URL. Map. Method is get. See, details of the map are width is 10 and height is also 10. After it, we will check the coordinates. So in this also make some changes. Method is get only. See, the coordinates are in between the boundaries of the map only. If coordinates will not in the boundaries of the map, then it will return the false. To update the map size, now we will do like this. In body, we can write updated map size, like we have changed 10 to 15. Sorry, we have to use put method in this. See, 204 no content, because in this map size there is no content is there, so this is showing 204 no content. So these are all the postman uh, implementations. Now we can see our aggregate design of canvas. So here the name of the system is robot control system, like it controls the robot's movements and tracks its position on a map. After that, here is the description of it, like the system allows adding, updating and recalling commands like move, left, right and place. It also tracks the robot's position on a map. Here is the state transitions, like the robot starts from an initial position and its states changes when we send the commands like get, post and put. After that, here is enforced rules, like the map size must be between 1 and 100 and the robot's coordinates must stay within the map boundaries. Here is the error handling, like if an invalid command is given, the system returns an error, and if someone tries to update or get a command that doesn't exist, it returns a 404 not found error. Here is the handled commands. The system handles commands like get, post and put, and for robot commands and map details. So here is the explanation of handled commands. Here are the created events. Events are triggered when commands are called, such as fetching commands or updating the map. So you can see. Similarly, here is the processing speed and the size. So this is the aggregate design canvas I have made for this task. So thank you. This is my whole task which I have explained in this video.